Hello children. So now we are going to discuss the chapter in detail. Name of our first lesson is three questions. Now first of all I will read it for you. Just listen. After that we can discuss one by one. Okay. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? So, a thought came into the mind of a king. Those thoughts were in the form of three questions. The questions were: what is the right time to start something? And the second question is: which people should he pay attention to, or what should he listen to? And the third question is: what is the most important thing for him to do? The king thought if he knows the answer for these three questions, he would never fail in his life. Okay. The king therefore sent his messengers throughout his kingdom, promising a large sum of money to anyone who would answer these three questions. So, the king sent his messengers throughout the kingdom, and he promised huge money to anyone who would answer to these questions. Many wise men came to the king, but they all answered his questions differently. So, many intelligent men, wise man means intelligent man, came to him and gave answers. So, here in the fourth stanza, you can see, in reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Only in this way, they said, could he do everything at its proper time. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should notice all that was going on, avoid foolish pleasures, and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So, some suggested that prepare a timetable and strictly follow it. Only in that way he can do everything at its proper way, while others said that it was impossible to decide in advance, try to do something. What is the right time to do something? But others suggested that king should always see whatever going around him. He should not involve into foolish pleasures or merry making and always do whatever is particular at that time. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. This was because one man would find it impossible to decide correctly without help from others the right time for every action. So, others suggested that the king should make a council of wise men, okay, who could advise him what to do, because king alone cannot decide correctly what to do. So, this council can help the king. Okay, and the next stanza you can see in the second stanza of this page. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. Okay, what is meant by council? Council means a group of people chosen to give advice or to make rules. It's a group of people chosen to give advice, okay, or to make some rules. So, in order to decide the right time for doing something, it's necessary to look into the future, and only magician could do that. The king, therefore, would have to go to magicians. Okay. So, others suggested that there can be some urgent things, no, which cannot be wait for the decision of council. And the king should see the future in order to decide what is urgent. For that, he should refer to magicians. So, what was the first question? Yes, what is the correct time of doing something? So, to that answer, people suggested were prepare a timetable and follow it. And it is impossible to decide in advance right time for doing something. So, they suggested a council of wise men. In case of urgent decisions or looking into the future, they suggested to have magicians. Magicians could do that. Okay, to refer to magicians. Okay, is it clear? So we can move to the third paragraph in this page. Here you can see in the answers to the second question. What was the second question? Yes, which people should he listen to, or which people should he pay attention to? Okay. Some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Counselors means members of the council. Others said the priests. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were most necessary. So, wise men suggested that to whom he pay attention is counselors, priests, doctors, soldiers are the most important people for a king. Okay, to whom he should pay attention to, or to whom he should listen to. Okay, we can move to the next paragraph. To the third question, some said science, others choose fighting, and yet others religious worship. Worship means prayer. Worship means prayer. So, the third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? Okay, what is the most important thing for the king to do? For that, on that, people said that science, fighting, religious worship are the most important thing for the king to do. Which are them? Science, fighting, and religious worship. Okay, so we can move to the next part. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. So, all the answers for all these three questions were different, entirely different, and the king was not satisfied, or he was not at all happy, and gave no reward, and he didn't give any reward. Instead, he desired to seek the advice of a certain hermit. So he decided to seek advice from a hermit. Hermit means a person who lives alone and leads a simple life. Hermit is a person, otherwise he is like a saint. He lives alone and leads a simple life. He is a wise man or an intelligent man. Okay. So instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Wisdom means intelligence. So, he was a famous person, famous because of his wisdom, because of his intelligence. Okay. Next paragraph, you can see that the hermit lived in a wood which he never left. So, the hermit lived in a wood. Wood here means a small forest which he never left. Okay. He saw no one but simple people. And so the king put an ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. So the hermit used to visit normal people only. He did not see any king or anyone from a royal family. So our king, what happened? Our king wore normal clothes and went alone to hermit's house. Okay. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. So when the king came to the hermit, he was digging the ground in front of his hut. Okay. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit greeted the king. Or greeted means wished. Okay, he wished the king and continued his job. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. So, the hermit was an old and weak man, and because of his hard work, he get tired. Okay. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you the answer three questions. The questions are, how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? So, here the king put his three questions in front of the hermit. Okay, he asked his doubt. He put forward his questions in front of the hermit. So, and what affairs are the most important? Affairs means things. Okay, his questions were, how can I learn to do right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs or things are the most important? Okay. The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. The hermit actually listened to the king. He heard the questions of the king, but he didn't give any answer to the king. He didn't reply to the king. He went on digging. He carried on his work. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. So the king said that to the hermit that the hermit was tired. So the king will work in his place. Okay. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So after that, this hermit handed over his spade to the king and he sat down on the ground. He was too tired. Now you can see him in the picture. Okay. When the king had dug two beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. After he had dug or the past form of dig is dug. Okay. Dug two beds. Beds here means small patches of ground for plants. Small patches of ground for plants. Okay. He stopped and repeated his questions. Again, our king started to ask his questions towards the hermits. He put forward his questions towards the hermit. The hermit gave no answer but stood up. But the hermit didn't give any answer to the king, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, Now you rest and let me work. So he started to stretch. Stretch means to extend one's body part to its full length. Okay. So he started to stretch his body and his hand, and then he requested to give the spade. Okay. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But our king did not give the spade to the hermit. One hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. So after 1 hour, the sun went down behind the trees. Again, the king asked to the hermit that if you are not willing to answer to my questions, please tell me. So I will return home. Okay. At that time, what happened? Here comes something running, said the hermit. At that time, hermit said that here comes someone or something, someone coming running. Okay. He observed something coming towards them. Okay, something means someone. So children, here you can see in the comprehension check you have two homework. First one is, why did the king want to know answers to 3 questions? Why? Do you know? Did you understand? Okay, write down to your notebook. The next question is, messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. For what? Here you have 4 options and you have to choose one and the correct one and write down. Okay, those 2 are the homework for you. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.